What's up YouTube, Intricate Explorer here today, and today I'm driving from New Jersey back to Colorado, or at least 1/3 of it. So what I'm gonna do with this exploration is I'm gonna challenge myself. I'm gonna drive until it's about 3 hours before sunset, then I'm just wherever I'm at, I'm gonna start looking for a spot to try and do a sunset shoot at. I have no idea where I'm going, I have no idea where I'm gonna be in these 8.5, 9 hours till that point, so let's get to it. It's gonna be a nice challenge. Let's go. Hi, can I get a large French fries?
There's ketchup and plenty of napkins.
Thank you. Have a good one.
Weekend. Thank you.
So I'm driving by and in Pennsylvania, and I just found this huge ass bridge. It looks like something I might be able to climb and get a shot on. I'm not sure, but it's getting close to sunset, so I think this is gonna be it. I'm gonna try and find out how to get on this bridge and see if it's doable. So I'm gonna drive around a little bit and see what I can find. I'll load up a drone so you can see what the bridge looks like. Here's what it looks like. Climbed up the road a little bit, went to these trees over here and found exactly where you can start crossing onto it. And it turns out like the spot, if you are gonna walk across it, there's literally like, I'm not kidding, maybe a foot of room between the edge and the rail and just a drop. So if I were to go across it and like a train came, I would just be straight up fucked. Like it's either get hit by a train or jump off like a 500-foot jump. So I'm not gonna do that. But in the meantime, I found out this like cool little area with these like all these abandoned old dumpsters or like things they put on trains. I don't really know, but it's all like rusty metal. It's kind of tucked away and it's got a little of some lush green vibes around it. So I'm gonna shoot some stuff around here. Really kind of cloudy, just finished raining. So like all the birds around, it's chirping. It's a little bit misty. So I'm excited. So let's see what we can work around with this place. There's so much weird shit out here. Like it looks like some of the like trash has like literally been just dumped here. So there's like some kind of presence here. What the fuck is that shit, guys? Like straight up, what the fuck is that? Switching over to GoPro so I can actually take photos. This place is straight up giving me the creeps hardcore. Just cause it's, you know, off the grid and it's just kind of silent. There's just these fucking dumpsters everywhere around me. The road's all broken. It's just got a weird vibe, like some Pennsylvania Chainsaw Massacre would happen in here or something. It's kind of fucking weird. But what I'm gonna do right now is, so if you can see those dumpsters way up in the corner there, I got the 200mm back here. I'm gonna aim it up there and then I'm gonna put it at like almost 200mm. So what that's gonna do is gonna give me a lot of compression for the background. So it's gonna make that light pole that in the background right there fucking huge when I'm zoomed in on the camera. So I'm just paranoid. It's always fucking, it's just fucking weird out here. Alright, so I'm gonna load up the drone because I think it'd be cool to get a shot of those dumpsters from above. I'm gonna climb inside the dumpster, lay down, put the drone right around me so you can't even see like where the drone is facing. Then I'm gonna fly it up. So just gotta figure out how to fucking climb inside this dumpster. Nice. You guys don't even know, I find this stuff fucking awesome. It's like the whole message behind why I do this. It's because you find beauty in these like forgotten, decaying places. And a lot of people would be like, oh, it's just a fucking trash cans everywhere. No, look at this place, it's so fucking awesome. It's just like a green utopia. It feels like something out of fucking Zombieland or what's that Will Smith movie with all the zombies running around? I Am Alive. It literally feels like that. Like I feel like there's gonna be a fucking zombie running out or something. It's so sick. What else should I get? The sun's like rapidly setting right now, so I'm trying to figure out how to do this before the sun sets. All right, guys, that's all I got for you today. Drop me a like, subscribe. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers before the end of this year. So please subscribe, tell everybody you know, just drop me a sub button. I love you guys. I'll catch you later. Peace.